Hello everybody, how you doing? Weather and Toilet Liker 8802 here with yet another weather related video. This time today's upload is going to be about the potential for a winter storm around Halloween of 2019. Before I start the video, I'd like to say that I would highly appreciate any more subscriptions to my channel. This is so I can try to fulfill my short-term goal of 100 subscribers by New Year's of 2020. Try to express how you feel about the video by clicking the like button. If you don't like it, that is okay. Comments are always encouraged, and I'll always welcome any constructive criticism, but I'll ask for but I would like to ask for absolutely no negative comments, as those are strictly not tolerated, and those will immediately be removed by me. I will. Some other reminders before I start the video. I only have two of them. First off, I will make another update video or two regarding this potential winter storm before it actually happens. So this isn't the only video I'm doing regarding this event. The second thing is, this is the first pattern update video I've ever done on my channel. So starting off with the basics. The what is a potential winter storm. The when, mid to late next week, most likely Wednesday to Thursday. Uncertainties exist with the exact timing of this storm system. The where is much of the U.S. near and east of the Rockies. So the potential storm track can be the potential storm track is divided into two scenarios. A stronger low The first scenario is that a stronger low pressure system will start setting up over the northern Rocky Mountains, then moving southeastward into the southern Rocky Mountains, eastward into Oklahoma, then northeastward towards the Great Lakes. Areas to the north of this track will be cold and have snowy conditions, while areas to the south will be warm with all rain. A weaker low pressure system will start setting up over the western Gulf Coast, which will move northeastward towards the mid-Atlantic coast, and then take a slight turn towards the New England coast, but not quite touching the coast of New England. The track of the Rocky Mountain system will not connect with that of the Gulf Coast low, however. Snow intensity. There is the potential for moderate to heavy snow. Moderate to heavy snow is most likely to occur. The area where moderate to heavy snow is most likely to occur is from portions of the area from northern Missouri and much of Iowa, northeastward into much of Wisconsin. If, and that is a big if, the storm is more intense than currently forecast, there could be the potential for blizzard or near blizzard conditions due to the storm being strong in terms of the wind in addition to snow. The most likely area for this would likely be portions of the area from portions of northern Missouri and much of Iowa northeastward into much of Wisconsin. As with the potential for wind, the potential for the blizzard or near blizzard conditions is uncertain and will be better known in the coming days as the storm gets closer. Scenario 2, a weaker low pressure system will set up over the northern Rocky Mountains and then move southeastward into the southern Rockies, then eastward towards the mid-Atlantic. Areas to the north of this track will be cold and have light to moderate snowfall, while areas to the south will be warm with all rain. a stronger low pressure system will set up over the western Gulf Coast. The track of the Gulf Coast and northern Rocky Mountain systems will merge with each other in the mid-Atlantic. The single system will move northeastward. Some snow will fall in areas to the north and west of the merged track, while areas to the south and east likely seeing all or mostly rain from this event. Snow intensity. There is the potential for light to moderate snow. The most likely area for light to moderate snow to occur is roughly to the northwest of the Interstate 44 corridor in Missouri and Oklahoma. GFS model run trends. The 6, 12, and 18Z GFS model runs from Tropical Tidbits, which is a new website I have been using for the model runs, have been trending towards scenario 1, the moderate to heavy snow scenario being the most likely to occur. So this is the GFS snowfall forecast map as of the 12Z model run on October 26, 2019, which is the day I'm recording this video. I'm actually recording this video at about 9:10 p.m. on the 26th of October 2019. All snowfall totals are by 0Z November 3rd, 2019. So not tomorrow, but the Sunday afterwards. Areas in darker blue shades like this one over central Illinois, the one that I'm pointing at, we'll see 0.1 to 1 inch of snow. As the shades lighten up, the snow totals get higher. Areas in moderate and light blue shades will see 1 to 3 inches of snow. Areas in the purples will see 4 to 6 inches of snow. Areas in the pinks will see 6 to 12 inches of snow. And areas in the light green shades can expect to see 12 to 16 inches of snow from this storm. The GFS snowfall forecast map as of the 18Z model run on October 26, 2019. Again by 0Z11 November 3rd, 2019. Color legend. Yeah, well, areas you get the drill now. Areas in the blue shades will see 0.1 to 3 inches of snow. Purples 4 to 6, pinks 6 to 12, and areas in light green will see 12 to 14 inches. So this is so this circle I just drew is the most likely area for the potential heavy snow band to set up. Extends from Kansas to the to much of the UP of Michigan. So this area, the area from much of Kansas through Iowa and Wisconsin and much of Wisconsin to much of the UP of Michigan can expect to see anywhere from 5 to 13 inches of snow, maybe even 14, depending on how lucky you are. If you end up under one of the heaviest snow bands. So now I'm getting into the temperature forecast map This is a key factor in determining how much snow will fall. So this was the 12Z GFS model 2-meter temperature forecast on October 26th of 2019 from the Tropical Tidbits website. The forecast is for 0Z Sunday, November 3rd of 2019. So you can see if within the band of heaviest snow, temperatures are supposed to range from the 20s to the 30s, not getting too much above freezing. So this is the temperature forecast as of the 18Z Tropical Tidbits model run. Again, this model run was made on October 26th, 2019, and the forecast is for 0Z November 3rd, 2019. So now I'm moving on to the interesting stuff. This is the 18Z October 26, 2019 snow probability forecast for day 5, October 30, 2019. So as you can see here, so this circle that I just drawn here is the rough area that's favored to see snow. And the darker red circles represent the highest chances for snow this coming Wednesday. And all probability thresholds 10, 30, 50, 70, and 90% are for precipitation exceeding a quarter-inch liquid equivalent of snow and sleet. And areas in northeast Colorado, northern Kansas, and southern Nebraska, as well as portions of southeastern Colorado, southern eastern south central Colorado are most favored to see snow. Areas from Colorado to Iowa could still see snow, but it'll just be a lower chance than the previously mentioned areas. And this is the 18Z on October 26, 2019 snow probability forecast for day 6 Halloween of 2019. Sorry for that 45 seconds of silence here. This light red circle I just drawn is a 10 to 30% probability of seeing any snow. And that's just a rough guesstimate. And just like those red berry colored circles, which represent 30 to 50% chances of snow, which are also rough guesstimates in terms of location. And the sources I used were the Tropical Tidbits website and the National Weather Service website. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to consider like and or comment and or subscribe. I put emphasis on to consider because that's up to you. And I'll catch you on the next episode. See ya. Bye.